Good morning, children. Little round red house. In this chapter, we have no much textbook activities. Okay, so I'm giving you some additional activities. Please read it carefully and do it. Okay, the first one, a field in check leaf is given below. Read it carefully and answer the questions given below. Okay. Read it carefully. Here we can see Canara Bank payable at all branches of Canara Bank Limited. Date we can see. Then pay to Mr. Arun or by rupees. How much amount? 20,000 rupees. Then account number and other details. IFSC code. Okay. Then related this check leaf. Some questions we are asking. Okay, you have to give the answers for this question. The first question, name the city where the bank is situated. Second question, name the person to whom the check was issued. Third question, when is the check due? Fourth one, is the check payable at all branches of Canara Bank? How much amount can be withdrawn using this check? When I read these all questions, check the check leaf and you have to try to answer it. After that, please check the answer all are correct or not. So, the first question's answer is, what was it? Name the city where the bank is situated in Bangalore. Name the person to whom the check was issued. Mr. Arun. Yeah. Third one. When is the check due? 2017. Then, is the check payable at all branches of Canara Bank? Yes. Then, how much amount can be withdrawn using this check? 20,000 rupees. Okay. Every details we can see in that check leaf. Read it carefully and try to answer it. Next activity, children. Prepare a short profile of Caroline Sherwin Bailey using the hints given below. Already given on the screen. Okay, read it carefully. Born October 25th, 1875, United States. Awards, Newbery Medal 1947. Education, Teachers College, Columbia University. Notable works, Boys and Girls of Colonial Days, Broad Stripes and Bright Stars, The Story of a Trial. Died December 23rd, 1961. With these given hints, you want to prepare a profile. Then how do you make a profile? Then Caroline Sherwin Bailey was born on October 25th in 1875 in United States. Some linking words, some linkers you have to use. In 1947, she was awarded the Newbery Medal. She was educated at the Teachers College in Columbia University. Boys and Girls of Colonial Days, Broad Stripes and Bright Stars and The Story of Trial are her notable works. He passed away on December 23rd in 1961. Did you understand? More activity. What is it, no? Complete the following passage using suitable phrasal verbs given in brackets. Okay. In that passage, the king could not dash the loud cry for food from the beggar. The beggar dash crying in a horrible voice The king ordered the servant to dash the cry by driving the beggar away. The wise servant dashed a plan to stop the beggar's cry. What is the see? I am giving to you some phrasal verbs: put forward, put up with, went on, put an end to, and put in. Use the phrasal verbs and fill the passage. Okay. Then what is the answer, children? What is the king could not put up with a loud cry for food from the beggar. The beggar went on crying in a horrible voice. The king ordered the servant to put an end to the cry by driving the beggar away. The wise servant put forward a plan to stop the beggar's cry. Use the appropriate phrasal verbs and fill it. Okay.